And you and I, we see, you mentioned it, that the technology that we work, the tech stack that we're helping with our clients is, credit to those guys, are very, quick to move. And for example, it's no secrets here. We're very much a LearnWorlds shop. It's they don't pay me to say that. It's just the best platform. One of the reasons why, I could go off on that, but one of the reasons why it's the best LMS for a certain market, for sort of like that medium-sized company, is because it's SCORM compliant, and it's also designs well. And they just launched AI. They have a whole bunch of new AI features, which is sort of version one of this new journey of where it's going to take us. What do you see in regards to LearnWorlds and their AI efforts that you think are pretty cool?
Yeah, I mean, it's really cool when you see these platforms start to integrate the tools right there. Like we've always kind of known, um, you kind of can see them separate, right? And then we're starting to see that integration now of like things like ChatGPT type, you know, a generative text box with the the platform itself. So LearnWorlds is one of the first to do that. So like you could log into your LearnWorlds account now and it could help you write an entire course, right? You could upload a bunch of content and say, hey, give me a 10 question quiz, right? On this kind of stuff. Now, the important thing is, I think, with all of these things is remembering this is not replacing kind of ID expertise because you still have to read all of that. It's
Uh-huh.
you rarely would I ever use it 100% as is, right?
Hmm.
Because you still have to tweak it and review it. But it's still going to save you a lot of time. That's the big thing. It's you're going to get to that review stage much faster than you would through traditional kind of just handwriting everything.
Yeah, it's really a beast of burden. AI is. It does a lot of heavy lifting.
Yeah, and that's where we are now. But I think long term, like it needs to be more than that, right? It's like when we were first learning how to use like computers, right? It was just a faster typewriter, initially. And then the internet came along, right? And completely changed how the computer is so much more now, right? So I think the AI is going to be just as, if not more disruptive than the internet. If you can think about how you used to work, if you're old enough to remember how you used to work before Google, before the internet, and think about how you do it now, I mean, it's completely different. I think AI is one of those technologies. It's going to be a paradigm shift in how we work.
Well, I totally agree. Uh, we get a bit philosophical here, but I don't think people really see this or feel it until they actually just start playing with it. You got to chat GPT, and it's super simple, by the way. You just give it a prompt, just give it a command, tell it to do anything, anything. It's C3PO. And short of Star Trek manufacturing an actual tangible object in front of you, it's not doing that yet. But as far as data and copy and stuff, it's just it's mind blowing what it can do. It is, I think it's as profound as, potentially as profound as the wheel, maybe the discovery of fire. It's up there. Maybe not that big, but real close. Electricity, it's up there. It is transformational in the path of human evolution.